Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to log your recipes in Myfitnesspal. So first, you should have Myfitnesspal application. If you don't, it's not really a problem. All you have to do is to go to your smartphone store, which is the App Store for the iPhone or the Play Store for the Android users, and click on the store. Go to the search bar and search or type my fitness uh, my fitness pal, and we will find it here, and just click on this icon and download it. And after downloading it, we need to go to our application now, and it will require you first to enter your account or to connect your account. And if you don't have already an account, just create a new one with Facebook or a new email. Now I will go to the more option here, and I'm going to my meals, recipes, and food button or menu. Sorry, I'm going to click on it. And here, as you can see, I can log or track all my recipes that I have or created in my application. For example, let's create a recipe. This recipe I'm going to enter it manually. For example, a new recipe. Let's just name it something like servings. It will be just one servings. Go add ingredients. For example, egg. I'm going to search for an egg. Let's do it like that. Uh, let's add 2 eggs, for example. Like this recipe is. And I'm going to save it like this. And as you can see, this is how you add in. So now I have my recipe here, and I'm going to my food or diary, and I'm going to click on add food and go to my recipe. And as you can see, this is my new recipe, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, I have it here, my new recipe that I have, and you can see all your recipes here. If I click on add food, you will see all your recipes here, and or go to my meal in here, you will find your recipes. You can edit them, you can do anything and log your recipes to have all the informations of the nutritional facts. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.